Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever we publish a new video. In this video, I will be giving you step-by-step home remedies on how to get relief from wet coughing at home. Coughing just sucks. Whether it's a repetitive, dry barking cough or a deep, wet hacking, coughs are one of the worst symptoms of being sick. Unfortunately, antibiotics won't treat coughs themselves, but there's still plenty you can do to make yourself cough less, and make your coughing less painful. Most doctors will suggest you try natural home remedies for your cough first, and there are several that can help make you more comfortable when you're sick. But before you can deal with your cough, it's important to understand what's causing it and how serious it is. Now the question, what actually causes wet coughing? Wet coughing can be caused by a variety of factors, but the most common culprits are bacterial and viral illnesses, like pneumonia, influenza, or a cold, allergies, a runny nose, heartburn, and asthma. Often coughing is worse at night, usually due to the position you're in, as lying down can lead to more congestion and worsen heartburn. Sleeping with your head raised up by pillows can help, as can trying one of the natural remedies ahead right before bed. What's the difference between a dry cough and wet cough? A dry cough is pretty much exactly what it sounds like, and might be in reaction to a dry, itchy, scratchy throat or other irritation. A wet cough, meaning one that brings up mucus or other fluids, is typically caused by a virus like the cold or flu. Viruses can last up to a month, much longer than many people think. What should I do if my cough just isn't going away? If your cough doesn't go away after 3 to 4 weeks, becomes chronic, or recurs under certain circumstances, then it's time to go in and get it checked out. It may have progressed to a more serious infection, or it may indicate you have reflux, allergies, or asthma, all of which can and should be treated by a doctor. Contact your doctor right away if you have other symptoms that are worsening, like a fever, chest pain, or shortness of breath. Let's get into the at-home solutions you're dying for. But before you use any natural cough remedies that involve herbs, check with your doctor about how they may interact with any medications you're on. And remember, natural remedies are meant to supplement any meds your doctor has given you and shouldn't be used in place of any traditional treatment your doctor recommends when you are sick. Hopefully, these 12 natural wet cough remedies will make your cough less of a nuisance and make it easier for you to rest up and feel better. 1. Thyme. Thyme functions as both a culinary herb and a medicine. The leaves and flowers contain thymol and carvacrol, which act as antispasmodics, expectorants, and contain antibacterial and antiviral compounds, all of which can help improve coughs. Add the herb to your meals or enjoy it in a soothing tea. 2. Almond milk. The idea that eating or drinking dairy products causes increased mucus and coughing is a myth, nor does it worsen a cough from an existing cold. But many people associate dairy with congestion because milk has a similar texture and viscosity to mucus, which can make it feel like it's sticking in your throat. If you have a dry cough and are craving something creamy to coat your throat and ease the scratchiness, but want a thinner texture, almond or coconut milk is a good replacement. 3. Honey. One of favorite home cough remedies is a big spoonful of honey. Not only is it tasty, but it's been shown to be just as effective in suppressing coughs, particularly those caused by upper respiratory tract infections, as some over-the-counter cough medicines. Patients given a tablespoon of honey before bedtime got as much, or more, relief than they did when given dextromethorphan, a common ingredient in cough medicines. 4. Salt water gargle. Coughing isn't just from issues in your lungs. In fact, sore, irritated, and inflamed throats are a very common cause of coughs. A good way to help calm your throat and your cough is to make a warm solution of water and salt and gargle it for 30 seconds. 5. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is a time-honored cold remedy in many cultures, and for good reason. Not only does it combine several other proven cough remedies, warm water, steam, herbs, salt, fluids, but it may have cough-fighting properties of its own. Chicken soup significantly lowered signs of infection from colds and flus, which affects the chest. 6. Steam shower. The research on steam, by itself, as a cough remedy, is surprisingly mixed, with some studies showing that it helps while others show no benefit. But regardless of whether or not it produces statistically significant results, many coughing patients find a hot shower very comforting and soothing, and it certainly won't hurt to try. One way to make steam more effective is to combine it with other things, like herbs or menthol. 7. Chili peppers. Spicy foods are a natural way to strengthen your respiratory system. But some spicy foods, particularly ones containing capsaicin, like chili peppers, can significantly reduce the congestion and coughing that come from constant post-nasal drip from allergies or rhinitis. Patients who used a nasal spray containing capsaicin saw improvement in under 1 minute that lasted for up to an hour, they found. 8. Clear irritants from your home. Some people are sensitive to perfumes and fragrances in laundry detergents and air fresheners. That may irritate the sinuses and up mucus production, which sets the stage for hacking. If you have allergies, cleaning away mold, dust, and pollen may help. These allergens may cause a reaction, including a cough. You may need to wash your sheets in hot water, clean your floors with a HEPA filter vacuum, and scrub windows with a bleach solution. 9. Stamp out cigarettes. Smoking paralyzes the tiny hairs lining your lungs, called the cilia, which clear out mucus and dirt. That's why some smokers get long-term cough. Research so far suggests that the same may happen with vaping. Steer clear of cigarettes, e-cigarettes, and secondhand smoke. 10. Black pepper. For productive cough, black pepper is the simplest home remedy. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper with desi ghee and have it on a full stomach. Why it helps: the heating quality helps in clearing congestion. Have this concoction at least 2 to 3 times a day for best results. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment box. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.